Hi guys, welcome back to the Puro Fail Show. For today's show we have 3 segments full of the funniest scare cams as always. So let's not wait any longer and let's start with a favourite among many of you. As you saw it in the title, our first segment is the air horn pranks. Let's check them out.
Okay.
Well, I mean, it'd be so.
I don't really care. Oh.
What's up?
Alright.
I just
What is that?
Okay, gaan jullie begin smart?
Ja, smart.
Okay, 1, 2.
Wake up pranks with air horns are the funniest for me. If you guys want to get an air horn like those, we are going to leave an Amazon link to them in the description down below. Now for the next segment, we have one that's becoming a classic by now. The well-hidden scares. Let's check them out.
Oh my god.
Come and look at this picture. Come and look at this picture.
One shoot.
God damn you.
Yeah, yeah. Yo, I really like every single time. Like,
Where's the tail? I think it's a squirrel. There's a tail right there.
I don't know what to do. I'm not coming down there.
The one who hid inside the laundry was hilarious. Remember guys that we upload 2 videos each week, and if you like our content, please remember to leave a like as that helps us out a lot. And also, if you are not subscribed, consider doing so. Now for our last segment, we have our classic, the favourite ones. Let's check them out.
Did you put that there?
What happened?
God freeze.
Jesus!
Hey!
I'm gonna kill you.
What's up? I'm so excited to get Boba. Hello.
You scared?
I'm gonna.
Nico.
Are they gonna be back for practice? Hey!
Real?
Dude, Nana, we have to keep it.
Well guys, that was all for today's show. If you liked the video, then please leave a like as that would help us out a lot. And also guys, we would really appreciate it if you can follow us on Twitter. The link will be in the description of the video. Have a great day.